Hello, how are you? I hope you are doing good, just like me here. So today we are going to discuss about ChatGPT personalizations. Uh, with ChatGPT personalization, you are able to get more personalized answers for your projects and your creative works. So to get to the personalization settings, you just come to your profile, you click your profile, and then click personalization. Once you are there, you are able to see various um, personalization options, so responses can match your work needs and work style. So let's go through each option. So the first one is base style and tone. So with this one, you're able to control how ChatGPT generally responds to you. You can let it stay default. You can set it at professional. Do you want it to be friendly? Do you want it to be nerdy? Like a scientist, you can set it all here. Do you want it to be funny? If you want to be funny, you can use a quirky. You see? So from there are also the characteristics. So the characteristics are, they have four characteristics. First, how warm do you want your responses to be? So basically by default it's mid warm. You can set it to be more warm, less warm. You can set your responses to be more enthusiastic. You can set how do you want your header and list to be. Do you want to use clear formatting and list? You can set it to use more or less clear formatting and list. Also you can set on the usage of emojis. You're able to set if you want to have more emojis or less emojis. Just click here and change the setting. So from there they have also custom instructions. This is where you tell ChatGPT how do you want your answers to be written. For instance, let's say you are a digital marketer. You can say you can write here, give marketing examples and keep answers short. Now ChatGPT will follow these automatically in the future chats. So yeah, I'm going to say give marketing examples and keep answers short. So in the future it is just going to be referring to this custom instruction. Also you can tell AI more about you. You can tell the nickname you want it to be using every time it's answering. You might ask it a question or give it some prompts, and in some cases it will be agreeing with you, and they tell you, unlock solution, I can see you're thinking like a pro digital marketer. So how do you want them to be calling you? For instance, mine, I can say I want it to be calling me Adnock. Also I can tell it the occupation. Now the occupation is more about my job or my interest. You see, for instance, I can say yeah, I'm a digital marketer working on ads and social media campaign. So these will help ChatGPT to be more relevant to this occupation. You can tell it more about you, my hobbies, my interests, and my preferences in mind. So my top are more flashy, more sales driven, optimistic, and a go-getter. You can set your values and your preferences based on how you are, on how you want your output to be. These are now about the memory. You can set more settings about the memory. do you want it to answer your question based on something that you discussed earlier? So now you are able to set that here, and then you can tick on untick. So from that memory section, you end over to the advanced section. So like this mine, you can see its memory is full. So in the advanced section, there's a web search. You'll allow it to go to the web and search for answers and come back to you. For the codes, you let ChatGPT execute code using code interpreter. You can all set these tasks, and then you get more personalized as far as your prompt are concerned. Once personalization is set, ChatGPT start working more like an assistant tailored to your workflow. Thanks, and see you in the next video.